Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Anthropology. So friends, today we are going to study about the topic tribe. What do you understand by the word tribe? Tribe usually known for the group of people staying in a particular area with the same language and common dialect, and they have more feelings than our normal people. Tribe mainly divided into two types. 1. PVTGS. 2. PTGS. PVTGS means particularly vulnerable tribal groups and PTGS means particularly tribal groups. We found 705 tribes in India. Among them, 75 are PVTGS, and we found 62 tribes in Odisha. Among them, 13 are PVTGS. In this planet, Africa is number 1 in tribal population, and India is second in tribal population. The word tribe came from Latin word tribus. In 12th and 13th century, European countries used this word. Endogamy, marriage among one community. Exogamy, marriage among different community. Definition from Dictionary of Anthropology. Tribe is a social group with a definite area, dialect, cultural homogeneity, and unifying social organization. It may include several subgroups such as tribes or villages. It may have common ancestor as well as presiding deities. The families or small communities making up a tribe are joined through economic, social, religious, or blood kinship bondage. So, this is the brief description of topic tribe. Friends, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks.